Today at work, I had a presentation for the whole department, and it went great. Got a lot of compliments, so that's a great plus. But I was so tired today, so when I came home, I didn't go work out after work because I forgot my clothes. So I'm nervous. A little bit, rush I was in the morning because the presentation was early in the morning. I guess like 7:30 a.m. And when I got home, I was like getting ready to go work out, but then I got feeling so tired, and I took a nap, and took a 3-hour nap. Or 4. No, it was a 3-hour nap. So I'm like, it's not a nap, that's already sleeping. So now it's super late, 8:47, and gotta get in that 40-minute run. Alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna do that 40-minute run. I don't know if I'm gonna record or anything, but I'll record that watch thing so you guys can see what I did. I'm gonna go really slow because I ate at 7:30, and I usually don't do that. Eat and then run out right away. Alright, laters. So this park is really full right now. It's packed. The basketball courts, the soccer fields, the baseball fields, people walking, not many people running. They just walk. Oh man, it's so packed in here. But it's time to do 40 minutes, and I don't want to do them anywhere, but I have to do it.
I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow. Don't want to borrow. I did today to give.
Alright, so I finished, and I looked at my time. I'm like, oh, I did pretty good. Yeah, the first mile was kind of slow. It was 9:40 something, and then the other miles I was going pretty fast. And the very last mile, when I was going 8:30 something, I was like, that won't feel like a 9-minute mile too. So I'm impressed of how I'm doing. I think it was because I slept, and I haven't had my body resting that much. Sleeping and also work like running at night made me a lot stronger and faster. I mean, when I was running, my whole chest, everything, it felt good the whole time. I just had a little bit harder breathing, that's it. My legs felt just very little bit sore, but not that much. So that was good. I think I could have kept on going for another mile too, but that's good. And that's it for today. Just stretch and ice a little bit. Later, have a good night, and stay motivated.
Your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow.